Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail. So I'm going to click on here now, and I'll make sure I click on my Gmail right here. Then after you open up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top, and then you have to simply scroll down right here until you get to manage subscription. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Then here you can easily stop receiving spam messages or spam mail from any email you have right here. So scroll down and choose any of the mail. Right here, I'm going to use this particular PG West no reply right here. What I'm going to do is to simply tap on this particular minus right here. So this is going to pop up. Do you want to stop getting messages from all mailing lists from this particular mail address? Simply click on unsubscribe. It's that simple. So with that, you will no longer receive spam mails or promotional mails from that particular website or email URL any longer. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.